let's continue on this render text and the formula parts, talking about how to do this text without LaTeX. So we will working with using the text class, and another class we introduced in the last video on the overview is you can also use the markup text, the class. So within the text class, we have quite more detail, but you can apply most of them is to the markup text class. So we will not do the duplicated things. For this video, it will be quite simple. We discuss how and a demo to you how to use the text and adjust different fonts. So that is the one you can see here. This type of the font or name of the font is the Noto Sans. So we can see how we can indicate that. So let me go to here. I will just try to naming that one by one. So maybe for this using text, let's see how will be the better we can name. I continue, go to the different folders. So now is the 2.3.1 underscore 1 underscore 3. So I will put here, and then I will create a font name. So let's see, fonts py, not so long. So from Manim import everything. So we can use this one to generate a list of the font. So the font is just our arguments. So you can put that into your the text class, like the color. So later we also discuss color. So first of all is let's say make this a font example scene, and then the dev construct self, and we define our font. Maybe we see that is font 1 text, then Noto Sans font equal to Noto Sans. We also know is we can have this font size. So let me see whether that is the font size. Yes, underscore size. Let's see, equal to 50 and move 2. Just up times 2. Then let's make that add. So self add. Let's I use 1 is because I wanted to make another one later. So PQL with the fonts example. So let's look at what will be generated. Let's see. So here is the medium, and here is the video doesn't have anything, and we should have the text. So it's a generate, it's a image video. Then you can see is a lot of this text. So you can see Noto Sans. So here is this SVG file, and this is the image. We put that is 2 unit up, but at the same time is here is the warning. So font Noto Sans not in this list. So that is the interesting part. Is let's also do this one. So you can use this command. So this command is we are using the Python, and you come to the this command line. So we need use this Manim pango. Import that is then use this Manim pango with our list font. List yeah, I should have the fonts. With this command, the method is we get this one. So you can see here is last is this UI. So it's the same as here. There is a warning part. But the interesting part is this our I think it's our code doesn't typo correct. Noto sans. So here you can see if you look at is they have those alphabet order. There's no auto sans. So that is the why they got a warning. So if I copy this one, so maybe I copy these similar things. I put that and then save and then quit from Python. Now I do this another execution to see because now I know this font is coming from the full list. The warning message is also very informative. They give you the full information about the list. So now you can see this is our kind of this Nirmala UI font. And try to utilize this before you want to use the font these arguments. I also put this file directly here. So pango font.txt under this 2.3. So if you open this one, I have put these two lines of the file, this command, and if you view that in this WAP code, that is the generated result. And also for this part, also interesting is if I want to put here, you can see normal is also. Let's make that interactive and let's run to see is, whether I can run this loading. Oh, let me refresh this page. Yes. That is another finding is for this one using here. Let me run that. Let's say launch the Docker container to this mybinder.org, and later on it should be show the result. You can see here. There is also I get warning font Noto sans not in this list. So there's a Noto sans I believe is for this reference guide is should be updated on this example, but that is not our current the trouble. So, but the difference is I also put this list here. So that means if you want to play not offline, just online like me, is directly run interactive way, this Noto sans is also not in this smaller list. This list is not as the full list for this Docker container, but it's also is you need to see that is not allowed or not there. So maybe let me see is I put to our mono space that is are quite, yeah, you can see this list is within the scope, then you can show that. So you can refer to this Pango font. So then this now I let me move this to this _1_3. So then this is referring to this file, this sample, and as long as you are doing your coding, you can always refer to these two command to check before you are doing something. So let me see is which I can have. I like this impact. So do we have the impact? That is, yeah, this one. So impact. Let's do this one. So not this and the font. Let's go to our font 2 equal to text impact. Then this impact I don't need to move that because the first one is already moved to the 2 unit upper, so size equal to 60. Then you get this fade font 2. So let's run that now. So you should see the impact different font. So that is the way you can manage what kind of the font face that you want to show. So that is the impact. You can directly see the difference between these two font. So try to check with this list. I believe that list is keep updating. Unfortunately, this Noto Sense is not included both in this full list and on this online smaller list. So try to understand that and don't be scared when you see that warning message. Read that and analyze this like what I demo to you. So then you can find out the way you can revise your code to get expected result. So with that is we finish this using font. Next one we will do this setting slant and weight. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.